a little piece. For this opportunity, I share with you final work. The application for the EOQ model based of the analysis of low turnover and static interventory in the Tunja distribution network. This is the basis. The issue is addressed using the EOQ economic order quantity because it analyzes the overstocking of inventories with low stock, proposing minimum quantities to serve as a basis of the generates order according to the minimum quantities based on the demand analysis. In this spreadsheet, the cost basis per SKU is projected taking into account current demand, ordering, ordering cost, holding cost, lead time, daily demand, and finally the EOQ. The EOQ is from square root of 2 times the current demand and current demand and the holding cost. This gives us the EOQ, EOQ, and the reorder point with which is obtained by dividing the lead time into current forecast daily demand. So that is for a new order to generate. We must to have a minimum of these units to restock the product. Es decir, cuando tengamos 192 unidades en existencia en stock, debemos generar un producto con una cantidad mínima de 632 unidades. This ensures that excess inventory is not generated and reduces the risk of obsolescence in turnover SKU. Then this graphic model cost allows us to interpret the intersection between the holding cost and the ordering cost, thereby confirming that the optimal order quantity corresponds to the current demand for customer. In the example, I took the units for stock 1600, and we can see the graphic and the intersection for the cost and holding cost and current demand forecast. If I change the unit to stock, we see the difference between the holding cost. There is no the intersection in the ordering cost and the holding cost. Then we can to say that model to EOQ is working. Okay, this model is to 1 year. Yeah, it's for Phase to professional practice. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.